Welcome to qnawire.
Over here we want to solve for different quantities, starting from this equation of motion plus 1/2 of acceleration times squared. And we want to know what would be the value for A, for T, and for B0. So let's begin with solving for A. This is going to be our first section. This is going to be, first of all, let's subtract from our initial equation all of this part. So we're going to get, after subtracting on both sides, x minus x0 minus b0t is going to be equal to 1/2 of acceleration times squared. So now solving for A, we're going to multiply this by 2, x minus x0 minus b0t divided by time squared. This is going to be equal to A. The next one, I'm going to leave the solution for t at the very end. Solving for b0, we're going to have x equal to x0 minus plus b0t plus 1/2 of acceleration times squared. Now we're going to subtract or pass to the other side both of these terms. So we're going to get x minus x0 minus 1/2 of acceleration times squared is equal to b0, so times t. So now b0 would be equal to x minus x0 minus 1/2 of acceleration times squared divided by time. And for the last one, solving for t, we're going to notice that the equation that we have is a quadratic expression on time, plus b0t plus 1/2 of acceleration times squared. I'm going to rearrange it a little bit and equate it to 0, plus b0t plus x0 minus x. I'm going to put this in parentheses. All of this is going to be equal to 0. So now we're going to employ the general formula. And just remember that for a general formula of the shape, for a general quadratic expression of the shape ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the solution is going to be minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So we're just going to identify what means each of the terms. A is going to be equal to 1/2 of a, b is going to be equal to b0, and c is going to be equal to x0 minus x in our problem. So applying this formula, recall that this is going to be equal to x12 because we have two possible solutions, the one with the plus and the one with the minus. So applying this to time 12 is going to be equal to minus b0 plus minus the square root of b squared, b0 squared, minus 4 times a. 4 times a is going to be equal to 2 times acceleration, minus 2 times acceleration, multiplied the value for c, x0 minus x, divided by 2 times the value for a. In this case, it becomes a directly. Let's call this a prime just for avoiding any possible confusions, right, with the acceleration. So this would be your final formula for time. Now, the question is, are both solutions going to be physical? Well, that depends on the problem that you're going to have. Sometimes you're going to be interested on a solution that is positive. Sometimes you're going to be interested in a solution that is going to be negative. So that is up to your criterion. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.